Hey guys, welcome to the Programmer Stack. So this is a new Python master series where I'm going to teach you the Python basics to the advanced level. So in this video, we're going to learn what is Python, why is Python, and how to install and use the first application of Python. Right? So let's get started. So what is Python? So Python is a high-level programming language which we use to build websites, software, automate tasks, analyze data, and everything. Right? So how Python has started? So Python was developed by initially Python is also known as for Python and Python was started by Guido van Rossum in 1980 and 1990s. Okay, so he developed this in the Netherlands. What makes Python so popular? Because not only Python in the backend there are remaining programming language like we have Java, right? So why Python? Why people choose Python over the Java or the remaining programming languages? Why it is so popular? So these are the reasons, or you can say the main reasons the people choose Python over the remaining languages. The main reason is the syntax. So the syntax of Python is very easy. It's like a simple English. If you know English, then you can learn Python, right? So it's free and open source. Yes, you are not paying anything for the software to learn, and also it's an open source. Okay, so Python contains large, huge number of libraries. Okay, and it also contains n number of packages. So Python is being utilized across many industries and different domains. Python is not only for single domain, so it is across used across many different domains. Like we are used for web development, banking sector, and many more. Python is more than a language. It's a community. It's a lifestyle. So Python features, right? So these are the key features that sets Python apart from the different programming languages. So the features are it's a dynamic and strong typing. So dynamic and strong typing means in Python we don't have to declare the variable type whenever we're assigning a value to it. Okay, and multi-paradigm language. So Python is a multi-paradigm language means it supports procedural oriented functional programming and also object oriented programming. So in Python, we don't use like semicolon symbols and etc. We organize code in blocks and we call them as intents. Python is a portable language. That means if you write a code Python in one system, you can run not any other system. Like we are writing the code in Windows, you can then simultaneously run the same program on the iOS devices also and some Linux devices also. Okay, automatic garbage collection. So why should I learn Python? So until now, we know what is Python and what the key features of Python and what makes Python so unique. So why should I learn Python? Because by learning Python, there are a lot of career opportunities. Okay, so big MNC companies, or you can say big companies, are adapting Python in their backend services. Okay, so some of the big companies use Python for their own backend development. Now, these are the different companies I listed over here that using Python for their backend support. So Rise and Python developers in India. So right now there are large number of Python developers increasing day by day because there are n number of opportunities for Python developers. And by so Python is not only for the one domain. As I said earlier, Python can be used for data science. So these are the different libraries which we use to perform data analytics and data operations using Python. Like we have popular libraries like Matplotlib, Pandas, NumPy, SciPy, and scikit machine learning. So Python is among the programming language most preferred for machine learning. So now the days are AI days. So right, so we can automate task any task using like Python. So Python supports machine learning and AI tasks also. We're using a different kind of libraries. So web development. So this is a major part where Python developers are choosing Python for web development. Right. So Python like offers us a variety of frameworks for developing the web. So the popular ones are the Django, Flask, okay, Fast API nowadays, and the Cherry Pie Pyramid. These are the different Python, some different web development frameworks which we use and Python offers. Scripting and automation, yes, we can automate tasks using Python. So there are some regular tasks that we're doing manually every day. That task can be done automatically by using the Python scripting. So these are the different libraries, or you can say packages that Python offers to automate the scriptings and tasks. So like the popular ones are Selenium, we have okay, IR2GUI, Apache JMeter, Robot Framework. Portable and extensible. As I said earlier, Python is a portable language. That means if you develop a code in one system, It can be so it can be done on any systems, right? Similarly, the code developed in Python is easily integrated with non-native platforms. It can integrate with Java, .NET components, or C++. Active community. Python has a massive community, so that it will help you learning the program and resolving the bugs and everything. You can post your errors or post your bugs on the forums, and this community is there to help you out. Okay. How to write Python code? Okay, so in order to write the Python code, you need some tools. So that tools are you need some like an integrated development. Okay, so Python and integrated development environment. That is nothing but a software tool which we use to write the Python code. For example, I need to write some notes. I can use either Notepad or Notepad++ or a new Word document, right? Similarly, if you want to write some code, we have some IDEs. Okay, the popular ones are Jupyter Notebook and a VS Code. Okay, which we use to try to develop and run the code. Okay, so practical programming with Python. So let us see. The first thing first is we need to install the Python latest version. So python.org is the official website for Python. Okay. We need to download the latest version. The latest version is 3.14.17. Okay. So you need to click on it and exe file will be downloaded, or you can use this install manager. Okay. So to install the latest version on your Python system. Okay, on your system. So after downloading, just open the command prompt. Okay, and type in to check whether Python has successfully installed on your systems or not. Simple command is Python double hyphen version. Okay, so yeah, I'm running the latest version of Python 3.14.7. Okay, after installing Python, the second thing you need to do is you need to install the VS Code. Okay, the Visual Studio Code. Most of the developers that develop code using Python, they are using VS Code. Not only Python, for remaining languages, also most of them are using Python. Okay, I also recommend Python only. So download for Windows, click on it. Okay, so while installing the VS Code, just check in the all boxes. Okay, that's my recommendation. So after that, just create a simple folder. Okay, and after creating the folder, open that folder in this VS Code. So this is the VS Code I'm talking about. Okay, right after opening the VS Code, click on the files over here and create a simple file. So the Python files are created using the .py notation. Okay, so I have created a simple Python file. Okay, so before that, you just need to add a simple extension. So in the VS Code, the below tab you have extensions tab. Okay, so click on that and install a simple extension. Type in Python. Okay, so there is an extension from Microsoft. Just install it. Okay, this is the extension I'm talking about. Python from Microsoft. Install it. Okay, this is the only thing you needed. So, right. So this is a sample program. So let's write some code. Just writing the initial code. Print hello developer. Okay, right. So we save it and right. So Python code you can see on the terminal. So this is the terminal where we are going to see the Python output. Now let's run this program. I'm trying to run this. So here there will be run Python file button. Just run it. Okay. And this is the output. Hello developer. Right. So this is how you can install and write the Python code. Okay. Installation is very simple. You need a VS Code and Python official Python software from the official website. So after installing it, simply you need to add a simple extension from Microsoft and create a file, write print developer, that's it. So that is the first initial thing you need to do. Okay. So yeah, this is the first video guys from the Python Master series. Thanks for joining in and do not forget to subscribe this channel. Thanks. Have a great day. Thank you.